Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply lip makeup to your selfie on the Photoshop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page and then click on the photo editor option in the left side of the screen. Select the picture that you want to edit, so tap on it. Then you should slide the left side of the page at the bottom of the screen and select the makeup feature. Here you have four main lip colors that you can select from. As you tap on one of them, you will be able to find further lip colors that you can apply by tapping on the relevant one. And as you zoom in, you can also refine the lips by tapping on the refine lips button. You should drag the points to refine the lip area like this. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.